Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a first impressions on the new Kylie Cosmetics. I did try everything on my face, which I've got on now. I've used two different blushes, which is why the blush part might look a little bit different, but I picked up pretty much everything except for the eyeliners and the brow products from the line. So I purchased a bunch of her face products, highlighter, I've got lip kit, lip gloss, I've got the infamous Winter Kissed blush. So if you guys would like to hear my thoughts and see how they look on my skin tone, then please just keep on watching. Okay, let's just get started with the video. I have so much new Kylie Cosmetics to try out. I have two bronzers, a highlight, three blushes, a lip gloss and a lip kit. Now, I went crazy when Kylie Cosmetics launched here in Australia. If you don't know, Mecca actually stock Kylie Cosmetics now, which is super exciting. Prior to this, you could only buy it from kyliecosmetics.com. So after she reformulated everything, it finally got released here. So I did go a little crazy just because I always wanted to try her face products, but they were never available and I couldn't be bothered waiting for the shipping and stuff. So starting off with bronzer, I did pick up two different bronzers. I got the shade Toasty and the shade Almond or whatever. Better. The packaging is so cute, you guys. It is the cutest pink ever, and I decided to match my little top to it. So absolutely love these. If you haven't seen already, when you open it, it comes with the little plastic and it's got like the Kylie drip on it, which is really cute. So this is the color 300 Toasty. And this looks like there is a slight shimmer to it, but I don't think it's going to transfer on the face. Like when I say it's slight, I mean it's so minimum. And then this one, also the same. There is a bit of a silver speck through it, but it's so minimal you literally can't see it. And this is the darker one, which is 600 Almond. So I'll show the two next to each other. Maybe this way, yeah. So this is the lighter one and this is the darker one. So if you do want a reference for like what skin tone I am, I use 3W1 Tawny in Estee Lauder, and in NARS I'm Punjab, which is a medium one. So I'm like a medium-ish skin tone, if you guys are just, you know, wondering what bronzer color to get. So I'm going to go in with the shade 300, which is the lighter one first, just to bronze up my skin. Ooh. And this is going to sound so bad, but I got the colors that Kylie is most popular for. Like she really likes these colors on her, Kylie's favorites or whatever. So I love how her makeup always looks. I mean, it's not like she's the one really doing it most of the time, but I wanted to get, you know, colors that looked good on her because I do like her makeup style. It's definitely a really beautiful like bronzer color, and it definitely does not have any shimmers. It's also not like skipping or anything on my skin. Like it looks very smooth. And I've also set my face with powder, so I think that also helps with the skipping of bronzer and stuff. This is a better looking side. I hate this side of my face, but this side definitely looks a lot better. And then what I'll think I'll do is go in with the darker one and contour, just contour my face a little bit more rather than just bronzing it up. And for the contouring, I'm going to be using the infamous NARS Eater brush. And again, this is the contour shade and this is Almond. Yeah, so this one's significantly darker, but I don't mind it. Yep. I love this color as well. And they're not like overly warm bronzers where it looks funny in the face. I'm trying to film this video while my baby is sleeping, so it's a bit of a mission, like running to the bedroom to check if she's okay and then running back to the beauty room to film this video. But this stuff has been sitting in my collection for over a month. I literally received this parcel the day before I went into labor, so I didn't think, because she came 5 weeks early, 6 weeks technically, I didn't think I was going to go into labor so soon, so I like bought all this new stuff and planned out all these videos, and then I went into labor. So that's what we're doing now, a month later. She's almost a month old, you guys. I can't believe it. Like, it's actually so depressing. Anyways, moving on to the blushes. I'm so happy I got the 3 colors that I wanted the most. I got the really popular Winter Kissed. So this is the color. It is stunning. And I believe her blushes are matte. Yeah, they're completely matte. I don't know if all of them are matte, but I'll show you guys. So this is Pink Power. I'll just compare the two just in case you guys are wondering. So this is Winter Kissed and this is Pink Power. And then the last one I purchased is Baddie on the Block, which is another favorite that everyone seems to love. And this is more of like a peachy corally pink. I love the packaging, like it's so proper. I don't know how to explain it. So that's the 3 blushes right there. And I believe these are all matte. Yes, completely matte. So I'm going to be taking the color Winter Kissed, which is that beautiful blue toned pink. And I'm going to be, well, this has a lot of pigment, you guys. Oh my god, I didn't think they were this pigmented. Do you guys see that? Wow, I was so excited for this color, but I don't actually think it suits me. Like, I've never used a pink blush like this before. I'm going to go ahead and use Baddie on the Block on the other side. This is pretty. Oh wow, I love this one, you guys. This is like the perfect coral peachy color. Alright, I definitely like this side a lot more just because I'm used to these kind of colors. When it comes to blushes, I really enjoy that peachy pink tone on my skin tone. This side, maybe I went too ham, I don't know. Maybe I did go a little bit too crazy. Let me see if I can blend it out. I'm not sure about this color. The formula is beautiful. I don't think I own any matte blushes, which is why I'm so excited for these. Yeah, I actually don't. Everything I have has to have shimmer in it, just because I do like that glowy look on my cheeks. But I'm really excited to have some matte blushes to play around with. The next product I'm going to go in with is the Kylighter. This I got in the shade Salted Caramel. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty true gold highlight. So I don't know if this is going to be a little bit too dark for my skin, but we'll definitely go ahead and try it. And this is so beautiful. It's got Kylie imprinted into it. And it looks like a very buttery soft kind of highlight. I just want to swatch it. So it does look like a very buttery soft highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Okay, so it's not like a blinding. Maybe if you were to like wet the brush and then apply it that way, it'll definitely, you know, be a little bit more blinding. But I wouldn't say this is kind of like compared to some of the other highlights that I do have. Okay, so this highlight looks very similar to the Whisper of Guilt by MAC. So Whisper of Guilt is here on the bottom. As you can see, it's got a little bit more champagne in it. And then Kylie's one is up the top here. And I'm just going to compare it to one more. And that being the Revlon Daybreak Glimmer. I just want to see how this one compares. The Revlon Daybreak Glimmer. So I feel like it goes from like lightest to darkest. So those are those three. If you just want a comparison of the color that I've chosen, again, this is Salted Caramel. Like I said, it doesn't seem like a very blinding highlight to me. Yeah, I would not say it's blinding at all. It's a little bit blinding here on the nose, but not on the cheeks. But again, if you were to spray the face with like some setting spray and then go in and apply your highlight, obviously it's going to be a little bit more pigmented, but I wouldn't say it's anything too crazy. So going in with the Kylie Lip Kit, I'm so excited for this color. It's a lot darker than what I thought it was going to be. I got the shade Kylie. From memory, when she used to wear it on Instagram and stuff, I thought it was like a nude with like a brown lip liner. I didn't realize it's so like mauvey, pinky. I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch this on my hand first. So the lip liner is like a brown nude tone and it's super creamy. So that's the lip liner there. And that's the liquid lipstick there. So this, I believe, is the only lip kit that she stocks that is two different colors for the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. Now, I'm going to compare it to the old packaging. I would say this packaging feels a little bit more luxe than this packaging. This feels quite cheap up here, whereas this doesn't feel or look as cheap. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use the lip liner first to line my lips. It's so creamy that I've just used it once and it's already like gone down a whole heap. So I don't think these last very long. Oh, she's awake. But it does feel very, very creamy. Like it just glides on the lips. Now to go in with the liquid lipstick. Again, this is in the shade Kylie. Okay, just instantly putting it on, I feel a difference. I love this color. It's not as dark as what I thought it was going to be. Like in the packaging, it looks super, super like mauvey, and I assumed it was going to be like this kind of color, which the packaging doesn't even match, first of all. But yeah, and I can already feel it drying down. This is the color on my lips. You guys, I'm so happy with all these products. I would probably say, oh my god, I almost forgot one. How could I have forgotten? I also bought a lip gloss, which I'm going to apply on top now. I picked it up in the shade Oh You Fancy, and this is her high gloss. So that's the difference between the two, the size and everything. Now, if you guys watched my one of my previous hauls, I did haul this lip gloss here by Makeup Revolution. It's the Shimmer Balm lip gloss with vitamin E, and I've got it in the shade Starlight. Now it's a very close dupe. If you guys can see this Kylie one, it is shimmery and just all sorts of stunning. So is this one here. They're not the same tone exactly, but I'm sure if you were to go and look at the Revolution brand, if you didn't want to pay for Kylie, you could find something similar. I'll swatch them next to each other so you can see. But this high gloss is stunning, and the doe foot applicator is huge. So that's it there. And this is the Revolution one at the top. So it's a little bit more gold compared to Kylie. Maybe more bronze, I would say. More bronze compared to Kylie. Kylie's a little bit more gold. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this in on my lips. I wouldn't wear it together, but this Kylie gloss on top of something else would be beautiful. That is so pretty. It did change the color a bit and it's made it a little bit darker, but like I said, probably not together, but if you wanted to wear the gloss with something else, I feel like it would look so beautiful. I just realized I don't have any mascara on. Oh, no wonder I look weird. I'm thinking, why do I look so bare in this video? Great. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are my thoughts and first impressions on the new Kylie Cosmetics. If you guys would like to see me use any of the other products, I don't really have many more products left, honestly. I did try and use everything on my face except for the one blush. But if you guys do want to see me use these products again, please let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you have tried any of these products or if any of them stood out to you and you do want to give it a go. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!